Welcome back. Continuing the news, concerns this evening from the chairman of the Clarendon Crime Prevention Committee, William Shaguri, about the gang violence that is threatening to escalate in one community just outside Maypen. He is calling for the area, which includes the volatile Canaan Heights community, to be included in a zone of special operations. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has this report.
The Billy Shaguri Road in Canaan Heights, Clarendon. It is named after the chairman of Clarendon's Crime Prevention Committee, William Shaguri. It's a reminder of the work he has done to help keep the peace in the community over the years. But a handful of gunmen in the area are threatening to derail the progress. He says no more than 5 gunmen are in the area causing the mayhem. Late last week, they shot 6 and killed 2. Since then, things have been tense in the community.
You have 2 factions over there. One at the back, one at the front. And somehow or the other, they don't seem to be able to gel together. Some of them are families as well too.
In addition to the lives being snuffed out by these gunmen, their reign of terror continues to threaten investments. One of the largest projects in Clarendon is currently under construction on the doorstep of the community.
We have to keep that community under control, because Sajikura is spending billions of dollars across the road. And nobody wants to go in an area where you have shootings and things like that.
Mr. Shaguri, who is also the custos of Clarendon, says he remains ready and available to go into Canaan Heights for mediation.
They were supposed to have a meeting between the 2 factions and they were to have invited me there. But I have waited until I haven't heard anything from them up until the problem started again. Because I wanted them to call me to the meeting, not for me to go there without them asking me to come. And so we could deal with the thing properly.
But in the absence of that call from the feuding parties, he in turn is making a call to the security chiefs and the Prime Minister.
But maybe the government need to really put in a zone over there. I think it's about time for them to go over there and try and find the guns. There's a lot of guns over there. They need to find them. And clean up the place once and for all.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.